Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
We all need a sweet treat from time to time, and this is my go-to drink. It smells heavenly and is a great drink either first thing in the morning or as a treat at the end of a long day. We are talking about the turmeric tea, which has numberless benefits. To boot your health, it is super healthy. Turmeric is one of the top super spices. Firstly, turmeric tea is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent, useful in disinfecting cuts and burns. Turmeric tea, when combined with cauliflower, it has shown to prevent prostate cancer and stop the growth of existing prostate cancer. Turmeric tea prevents breast cancer from spreading to the lungs in mice. Turmeric tea may prevent melanoma and cause existing melanoma cells to commit suicide. Turmeric tea reduces the risk of childhood leukemia and is a natural liver detoxifier. It may also prevent and slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease by removing amyloid plaque buildup in the brain. May prevent metastasis from occurring in many different forms of cancer. It is a potent natural anti-inflammatory that works as well as many anti-inflammatory drugs but without the side effects. Turmeric tea has shown promise in slowing the progression of multiple sclerosis in mice. Turmeric tea is a natural painkiller and COX-2 inhibitor. Turmeric tea may aid in fat metabolism and help in weight management. Turmeric tea has long been used in Chinese medicine as a treatment for depression. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it is a natural treatment for arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Boosts the effects of chemo drug paclitaxel and reduces its side effects. Promising studies are underway on the effects of turmeric on pancreatic cancer. Studies are ongoing in the positive effects of turmeric on multiple myeloma. Has been shown to stop the growth of new blood vessels in tumors. Speeds up wound healing and assists in remodeling of damaged skin. May help in the treatment of psoriasis and other inflammatory skin conditions.
Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. And do like our FB page, www.facebook.com, Health Info Zone. Follow us on Twitter at Health Info Talk 1.